Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how we measure the weight of an object in science experiment? Today I will show you one of the simplest but most useful instrument, the spring balance. Let's see how it works and how it helps to measure the force or weight accurately. Now we will understand what is spring balance. You can see that a spring balance is a device which is used to measure the weight or force acting on an object. If I consider an object as a stone, here we have a stone piece. This is an object which I used to tie it down from this side, and I have to tie from this side also. Then I have to hang it down freely in the air. This is how I can measure the force with which it is getting attracted towards the earth, or we can say the weight of an object. What is weight of an object here? We have come across that weight of an object is measured with mathematically by mass of an object, the matter present in the object, with multiplication with acceleration due to gravity acting on it. We know that if it is on earth, it is 9.8 meter per second square. Now, here we will see that a spring balance is there, is having a cylindrical case, and one end of the spring is fixed. This is one end which is fixed, and the other end is having a hook hanging to hang the object. A scale is also there which is marked in newtons. Here it is newtons or in grams to read the measurement. This is a measurement which is able to do is 250 grams, or we can say it can measure the force about 2.5 Newton. Now, how it works, we will discuss. When you hang the object on the hook, the spring stretches. Let's see this. So you can see that how I'm tying the object from one end of the thread, and other end I will hook it in the spring balance. Presently here it is having zero error. It is an accurate instrument having no error on it. Now I will hang it freely in the air, and we will see that how this spring goes stretched, and we can feel that it will be having some weight, and it is attracted with some force towards the earth. Now you can see that how a small object is hanging on a spring balance, and you can see the pointer down. This is a pointer which goes from here to here. That's the force of gravity pulling the object. So the reading here, I can see it is near about 45 gram, or we can say 0.45 Newton. The force with which it is getting attracted. Here you can see the pointer also. It is near about 0.45 Newton, and the weight of an object is 45 gram, which I have taken a stone piece. So that's how a spring balance used to help to measure the force or the weight easily. And this is how we can use this particular instrument that we call as spring balance. So I hope that you all have understood how to use the spring balance to measure the weight of an object, or we can say with what force it is getting attracted towards the earth. Here, hopefully you will be visiting to this video on a regular basis for understanding the spring balance